How to avoid over-editing in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and upload the photo you want to edit. To avoid over-editing, start by applying subtle adjustments instead of heavy filters. Use the sliders to reduce the intensity of effects like smoothing, makeup, or color changes. Focus on enhancing natural features rather than drastically altering the image. Avoid stacking too many filters at once, as this can make the photo look unrealistic. Use FaceApp's compare feature by holding the photo to see the before and after edits, then release to return. Take breaks during editing to review your work with fresh eyes, which helps catch any overdone effects. Trust your instinct and stop editing when the photo still looks natural and polished. Remember, less is more when aiming for a natural and professional look. Once satisfied, save your photo in high resolution. Now you know how to avoid over-editing in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.